What's up, my goodies? Let's make some oven grill chicken. I call it jerk chicken if you want. So I season my chicken like quarters them already. 4 pieces, nice and beautiful. Seasoned them about 2 days ago, so the season well soaking in them. As you can see, I use the Maggi jerk season, the Maggi chicken season, and some Cool Runnings chicken season. Somebody asked already why I use 2 different chicken season, 2 different flavor. I have some garlic powder and some onion powder in here, and I also use some garlic pepper powder, and of course I have to sprinkle a little bit of my smoked paprika, and I also used my homemade jerk marinade. I can use a Walker's Wood because when I don't have the homemade, I use a Walker's Wood jerk marinade. That's my favorite jerk marinade, and I just rub this in and leave it in the fridge for 2 days. So here I have it on a grill and just like a baking sheet, just to, so your oven don't dirty. You can put this on the barbecue outside, but it's a little bit cold now. Put it in the oven and see how it comes out. We're also gonna make a little bit of jerk sauce, maybe put a little barbecue in it and turn it into jerk barbecue. Let's see what our mind leads us to do. So let's pop this in the oven at 450 degrees. All right, goodies, so this is what it looks like now. So it's the perfect time. I already turned it over. It's a perfect time now to put on our sauce. So I'm going to use a little bit of honey garlic Diana sauce, some chopped garlic, and a little bit of my homemade jerk marinade. So you're just gonna mix this together and we're gonna baste the chicken with this. See how beautiful this is looking? And I'm telling you, this jerk sauce that we're putting on it is gonna make a huge difference. So we're gonna put this back in the oven for another 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, depends on how the oven is firing. 5 to 10 minutes. You might want to put just a tip, put foil paper on the bottom so your pan is easier to get clean. We're also going to baste the other side, so we're going to give it 5 minutes on this side, flip it over and give it 5 minutes on the other side. Don't go away, you want to see the final result. All right, my goodies, so this is the final result, man. Yes, here it is looking. Absolutely beautiful oven jerk chicken. Yes, our oven grill with a little bit of barbecue jerk sauce on it. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Like, share, leave a comment. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, because goodie may have a lot more recipes to share with you. Simple, quick and easy, as you can see, and them delicious authentic recipes from Jamaica and in the Caribbean and all over the world. I'll share them with you, so stay tuned. Hang on to my channel. Love you, no goodies, work good, and God bless you.